how to merge multiple PDF files into one PDF file for free. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine multiple PDF files into one completely for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So as you can see here, I have two PDF files, a certificate and a resume. And to combine these into one file, maybe so it can be uploaded or sent easier, we're going to be using a free tool that I created called pdfgadget.com. Now, I created PDF Gadget because I wanted to be able to recommend a tool that I knew was safe and didn't require you to upload your files to a server. So all the file processing that happens on PDF Gadget happens within the browser on your device, and your files are never sent to a server or anything like that. Check the description, I'll have a link down there. But once you get to pdfgadget.com, you can either select Merge PDFs in the top menu or just select Merge PDFs right here. Then once you get to Merge PDF files, you can either drop your files in this little box or tap it and select the files. So I'm just going to select them and select Open. Then it'll show me a preview of the PDF files. From here, I can drag them to change the order if I want to have one PDF in the beginning and one in the back. And if you have more than two PDFs, you can change the order that way as well. So I'm going to have the resume before the certificate. Then I'll select Merge PDF Files and then Download Merged PDF File. From there, it'll automatically save it to my downloads. It may ask you on your computer where to save it. So go ahead and save the file. And then as you can see, when I open it up, I have my resume and then I have my certificate right here. So that's how you merge PDF files completely for free. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.